ProTinkerToys.com. These are made in America. Now, I only give my guns, I bundle them special. I give you the scope and the sling when you're buying my guns. Plus, you get the free 4-ounce ammo. Not a 1 ounce, but 4 ounces worth of ammo with your gun. Now, this is the AR or junior AR, and it takes the yellow ammo, so you're going to get 4 ounces of free. It's bundled in the package. You're not going to get these anywhere. Amazon, forget it. Amazon doesn't know what they're doing. I give you the scope and sling because I know that a kid's going to want a gun with a scope and sling rather with none scope and sling or with no scope and sling. All right? And this is the junior AR-15, okay, the Armalite 15, and rubber band guns. Hard poplar. Don't forget to like and subscribe. They're made in the USA. USA, USA, USA. Isn't that sweet? Scope and sling, everything. Dan Smith, Magnum rubber band guns. The best rubber band guns, wooden rubber band guns on the planet. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.